Hey you guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix loose fuel door. As you can see right here, see this fuel door right here? You can literally move it around because it's loose. The mounting is loose. Actually the two little rivet is coming out, so it's loose and it won't hold the fuel door shut completely like this. And if you see on the side, there's a big gap right there. It should be flush with the body. And it's kind of hard every time when it filled up. It's kind of hard to shut the fuel door. So, alright, let's get to it. Alright, this fuel door right here is from my 2007 Toyota Highlander Hybrid. So, pretty much most of the cars out there pretty much there have the similar fuel door, and the mount, which is some have screws and some have rivet. This one right here on a 2007 Toyota Highlander Hybrid, they use plastic rivets. You can see right here. That's why it's loose. Time after time, after the car gets so old, this one will become loose right here. There's two little plastic rivets. You can see right there. See that? That's why the fuel door is hard to close. Once it's closed, it wouldn't line up with the body. That's why there's a big gap right here. When you shut it, and it comes up instead of staying flush with the body. So, alright. These are the tools that you're gonna need. A rivet gun. Now I got this from Harbor Freight. You can see right here. Pittsburgh. This one's fairly cheap. It's about $20. And it does come with a rivet. You're gonna need this right here, trim removal tool. It'll come in handy. Drill bit, a 1/4 inch drill bit. Right here, you can see it right there. 1/4 inch. And rivet. This one is a 1/4 inch rivet. I got these off of eBay. You really don't have to use the black one. You can use the one that comes with the package. With this one right here, a 1/4 inch. It's up to you, but I got these off eBay because they are blending with the original OEM rivet. First thing, you need to remove this little clip right here. That's when the trim removal tool comes in. Just slides on there and pop it out. See how easy that one is? If you don't have this trim removal tool, you can use a flathead screwdriver and slowly pry it out. Basically just a little knob right there that you push it in. Let's move this one out of the way. Now this one is remember that it's there are plastic rivets, so it's gonna be easy to drill it out. You're gonna use a 1/4 inch drill bit. Just start slowly. Coming out. Go ahead and use a pair of pliers. Pull it out. Since they are made out of plastic, right there. I can't believe they use plastic rivet. Look at that. There you go. Quick and easy. Alright, get your rivet gun. Don't forget to replace the head right here. It comes with different sizes. Make sure you get the right one, the one that's the one that's for 1/4 inch. It does come with the different sizes right there that you have to replace. So just look for the one that say 1/4 inch, and it does come with a little wrench that you can remove this right here. This is the wrench that comes with it. So what you do to replace the correct size, the head, just loosen that and you'll unscrew it. Just like so. Which is, I already changed this one to a 1/4 inch. Put this back. Slide the rivet in. There you go. Go ahead and slide the field door in. What I do instead of squeeze all the way down in there and finish on one side, I'm gonna do a little at a time so I can line up the field door. There you go. At least you'll hold that for now. Now let's install the other one. I'm gonna do the same too. Don't go all the way in yet, so you can line up the field door. There you go. Now at least you have some room to line up the door. All right. See what I'm talking about? Instead of tie one down, you just tie a little bit at a time so you can adjust your field door. Okay? Alright, this time I'm gonna tighten it. Go all the way down. Looks good still. Alright. One down. One more to go. There we go. That's it. Now reinstall the gasket wire. Just pop that one in. Alright, everything looks good. This one's nice and tight, it's not loose. Now let's see how easy it closes. Not bad. Nice and flush right there. This one's on the other side. Nice and flush. All done. That's it. Quick and easy. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Alright, appreciate you. Thanks for watching.